Welcome to the Cloud Nexa vNOC Management Platform Cloud Manager tab. Under the Cloud Manager tab, I'm going to be able to define certain governance policies within my AWS account. I can define a budget to see if I'm going over that budget in my dashboard. I can create a lifecycle policy which will automate the process of powering on and powering off certain instances. I can schedule backup jobs, link my CloudTrail logs to vNOC so I have a very easy to use user interface, create the schedule for archiving my CloudWatch backups, as well as link to AWS config, again to have a user interface. In order to assign new governance policies, I can come up to New Governance Policies, select the policy that I would like to create, and walk through an easy-to-use wizard. Now let's go over to Resource Groups. Resource groups within vNOC are a logical collection of your AWS assets that are grouped together for purposes of assigning governance policies or generating billing reports. I can see here I have all my resource groups. I can view, edit, or delete them. If I come up to the right-hand side, this is where I can go ahead and create a new resource group. Now moving on to the servers view, I'm going to get a high-level view of all of the resources I have within my environment. I can select a particular instance and scroll down to get further details regarding this instance. I can also view all of the CloudTrail logs that are associated with that particular EC2 instance. I'll be able to see all of the CloudWatch metrics also associated with that EC2 instance. And if I'm leveraging AWS config, I'll be able to see all of the logs AWS config is populating. So I can very easily click on a particular log. I can see all of the relationships with other AWS assets. If I scroll up again, you'll also notice that there's a historical tab. If you're leveraging AWS config, you'll be able to view a snapshot of your environment based on a date that you select in the past. This will show you at that particular time what your environment looked like. Again, I can select a particular server or instance, scroll down, see further details, CloudTrail logs, CloudWatch information, as well as AWS config. Thank you for watching the vNOC Management Platform Cloud Manager tab. For further information, please visit our website, www.cloudnexa.com, or email us at info@cloudnexa.com.